To properly shampoo and condition your high-heat synthetic wig or hairpiece, you will need the following: Jon Renau shampoo for synthetic fiber, Jon Renau conditioning spray for synthetic fiber, Jon Renau HD smooth detangler, a wide-tooth comb, a towel, and a wig stand. Before washing your wig or hairpiece, gently remove any tangles with your Jon Renau wide-tooth comb only. Place hand inside cap and hold at the top of the wig under cool running water. Gently lather the hair with a small amount of Jon Renau shampoo while making sure that the hair is traveling in the same direction. Do not rub hair, as this may cause tangling. Rinse thoroughly in cool water until water runs clear. Wrap your wig in a towel and gently pat dry to remove excess water. Gently detangle hair using your wide-tooth comb. Spray 3 to 5 pumps of Jon Renau conditioning spray while keeping away from the base of the wig or hairpiece. For best results, place the wig on a wig stand and allow it to air dry completely. Once your wig has air dried completely, apply 3 to 5 pumps of Jon Renau HD Smooth Detangler, focusing on the bottom half of the wig, and gently comb through again with your wide-tooth comb. Only the wide-tooth comb is to be used on your HD wig or hairpiece. Other brushes or combs will cause frizzing or tangling. Jon Renau recommends cleansing and conditioning alternative hair systems every 6 to 8 wears.